So this is how we perform blade change on the GKS 18V-57G. First, we remove the batteries. Next, the Allen key is located at the handle. And the lock is located here. There. It's got a washer. The washer is built into the bolt. Okay. This is how we remove or replace the blade of the Bosch GKS 18V-Li. Oh, it has a different Allen key compared to the 18V-57G. The 18V-57G uses a 5mm Allen key, while the 18V-Li uses 4mm. So we press the arbor lock located here at the front. Okay. Oh, and I believe this is a reverse thread because the blade is on the left hand side of the saw. Okay, so this is righty loosey, not righty tighty. Oops, wrong direction. This blade is the Bosch Speedline for wood. It's got 12 teeth and a max RPM of 9,000 revolutions per minute. Curve is 2.4 mil and the blade thickness is 1.6 mil. Both the 18V-Li and the 18V-57G blade arbor of 20 millimeters. Installing the blade on the Bosch GKS 18V-57G. It's got a rubber bumper here on the blade guard. And make sure to take note of the rotation of the blade. So it's positioned this way. My first time to install the blade.